So this is the prototype for the Reconfigurable Autonomous Transport, right? So this is the Lego NXT brick that's here, and this has inputs for up to 3 motors that you can have on it. And these are ports back here. You can have up to 4 sensors. In this case here, the only sensor, aside from the sensors built into the motors here, which I'll talk about shortly, is this light sensor here, which can actually is a color sensor and can detect between red, blue, greens, and various colors like that based on how you program it, which makes it convenient for being able to follow a line where you have colors. What you see here, the white motors, these are actual motors and encoders together. So you have absolute encoders that are in there that you, and also with feedback, so that you can control both the speed and the number of rotations, how much power goes to the units here themselves. This is gear reduced, so you don't have to do a lot of other gearing with it. It's pretty powerful. So you see 2 of these here. One is mounted as a drive motor, and it goes to a regular differential here, right? This is just like what's in cars. So you can have one of them, that freewheels. So it's just like what's in a car. So this was done to demonstrate to the kids how exactly that kind of gearing works. So you can see the gears at work in there with that. The steering here again, it's done just like how it might be done with a car. So even though at one time I did do a rack and pinion in here, but it's really not necessary for this. This is all pretty strong and works pretty good. So this is a little bit simpler, and it's easier to see that this is much more like what you have with a conventional automotive design. So I think maybe the next thing to do is just to see what this looks like when it's in operation.